everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is now another week of weekly cleaning. I have been slacking a lot lately. Just the reason is because I've just been super tired. I've been busy, and most of the time I've just been tired. I have zero motivation. I got less than 3 months left to go with this pregnancy, and the weather doesn't help at all. I mean, if you guys look outside, it's like ice. It's been raining outside. I don't know if it's still raining outside, but it's been raining all day, so our driveway is completely covered in ice. So I got it fixed. Husband's gonna go outside and start breaking some of the ice, but it's gonna rain all day long, and then later tonight it's gonna turn into snow, so the roads might be bad. So it all depends if I go to Walgreens or CVS tomorrow, depending on the weather. But what I'm here to share with you guys is a couple things that I want to do today. Today is kind of a bum day. We're not going to go anywhere. If we do, we might go out for lunch, but otherwise we're not going to go anywhere. We're just going to stay at home. I'm extremely out of breath. Sorry, I had to stop the video. Yeah, I'm just completely out of breath, but my son has helped himself to my beads, so we got to pick this up. But this room is pretty much ready to be painted. This is the baby's room, so I'm still going to show you guys the progress as we are fixing her room, but we decided we're going to paint her room in about 2 weeks. So I haven't bought the paint yet, but we decided to do purple because purple's, obviously, you guys don't know this, but purple's my favorite color. But I ended up getting samples, and we tried to figure out what we wanted to do. So my mom and I went shopping one day, and we figured out we wanted to do these colors. So what we ended up doing is we got some fabric. She's actually making me some curtains for the baby, and then she's also making me a blanket. But we couldn't decide now. Now the camera shows totally different colors than what I actually see. But this is like a pinkish purple. We decided we're going to do this one that's by Dutch Boy, but it's number 145 5DB is what it is. I don't know if it has a name. Orchid Petals is what the name is. So we decided we're going to do that just because it's a nice neutral color. I'm also doing an Alice in Wonderland theme. So we went to the Disney store when we were in Milwaukee a couple weeks ago, and I stopped at the Disney store because they were having a deal on stuffed animals. So I got the Cheshire Cat. I love the Cheshire Cat. He is one of my favorite characters of Disney anyways. So we got him. And they don't have any other Disney characters, so I only got him, but it was buy one get one free, so I ended up getting Thumper. We're just going to pretend he's the White Rabbit, but I thought he is pretty cute anyways, but there was really nothing I could use for another Alice in Wonderland thing. So these are the stuffed animals we got. I also have an Alice, I think she's in here. Yeah, I also bought on the Disney website an Alice doll. So that's the theme we're going to have for her room. So I did buy all the decorations. I have one letter that I have to put up, but I have to buy the rest of her name. So I'm just waiting for Hobby Lobby to have them on sale, or I just have to go to the store and get them. But I don't have the letter in her room right now. So we're going to decide on this color. And then what we're going to do is, I love puzzles. I'm a huge puzzle freak. But since I've had Ben, I haven't been able to put puzzles together because he likes to take things and destroy them, make things disappear. So I got this for Christmas. This is a Thomas Kincaid puzzle. I love Thomas Kincaid puzzles, and I thought this would be a really cute decoration to have in her room. So what I ended up doing is, my mom got me this for Christmas, so I have to put the puzzle together, which I will sometime soon, but it's 750 pieces. And it's a 24 by 18. So what I ended up doing one day is, they had picture frames at Michael's. Thank you, baby. They had picture frames at Michael's for 70% off. So I ended up getting a very large frame in white. I might leave it white, or I might spray paint it silver. I'm not sure. But I got a 24 by 18 picture frame that is going to go in that, and I'm going to put it on her wall. I'm still deciding. I think we're going to put the crib on this wall with her name on it, and then the wall behind me is where the picture's going to go, and then I got some other things. I also got these picture frames. These are 8x10s. I got these for like a couple dollars a piece. So these were, I think, like originally, I don't even know how much they were, but they got them at Michael's. And so what I ended up doing is I bought some photos from Etsy. What they do is you just buy the digital copy, and then you go to the store and develop them. Well, I got them at Shutterfly because I needed to order some other photos, which I'll show you guys those. But I ended up getting some Alice in Wonderland pictures, the 8x10. So we got the Queen of Hearts, if I can get the rest of these out. And then I got these in a matte finish. Otherwise, I would have gotten them at Walgreens, but I just wanted to get them all at once. We got the Mad Hatter, the Cheshire Cat, the White Rabbit. Now, the White Rabbit can kind of resemble him. We'll just say that. And then we got Alice. So these are the decorations that are going to go in her room. So we got those 5 pictures and then that one big photo. And then I have a couple things here and there. But her decorations are pretty much done for. So that's going to be her decoration. So I'm pretty excited to start painting her room. So we're going to start painting her room and then put the decorations up. And I will show you guys as we go what it all looks like. But another thing is, when I did buy some stuff on Etsy, I ended up buying these pictures. Now, husband and I actually have a purple room. It's a different color purple. It's more of a darker purple. But I ended up buying this Mickey Mouse photo. And these are the same picture frames that are in her room, are going to go in her room. The picture of the castle, and then Minnie Mouse. So these are the photos that we bought. So my goal for the day, you guys, we've had this for, when did I get this package? I have no idea. No idea. It doesn't say in the box. No. We got these probably, what, 4 weeks ago, maybe? And I've been asking the husband to put it up. So my goal for the day is to get these picture frames put up. So there's these I want to get up on the wall. And then I'm thinking of probably just framing these. I think we're going to go silver because I think it'll pop. But maybe framing these so that it's all ready to go. I couldn't decide if I wanted a white picture frame or a silver, but I'm going to do both. And then I also have pictures that I want to put on our wall going down the stairs. So I got tons of frames for that. So with this crappy weather today, I want to get the picture frames done. So if I get that done, you guys will see it next week. But I have like no motivation today. I do, but I don't. I have tons of laundry to do, so I'm planning on doing the laundry. Benjamin sucks at going potty lately, so he like pees all over the place. So my goal today is also to clean all 3 of our bathrooms, especially the toilets, because they're disgusting. So it's just going to be a lazy day. I'm not really doing very much. As you guys can see, I have makeup on, but I don't have all my makeup on. I just wasn't feeling it. I got my pajama bottoms on because it's comfortable. I mean, I like wearing maternity pants, but I feel like wearing my pajama bottoms are so much more comfortable. So we got that going on. But otherwise, yeah, it's kind of just a motivation day that I want to work on. So I'm going to bring you guys to the basement and show you guys what else I want to work on today. Okay, so now we're inside or down in my basement, and you guys know this is like a lost cause. We've been trying to clean up. But we just keep bringing stuff down here, which is fine. But we just need to go through stuff. I have just so much stuff that it's hard for me to get rid of. I'm not a hoarder. It's just hard for me to get rid of. But what we've been doing, the husband and I have been working in this area. It might not look like it, but we have. We've been taking 1 box or 2 and going through it. Once we get her room painted, these 2 things will actually be out of here. But we're getting rid of stuff. Just it takes time, and I'm giving you guys just mostly motivation to clean, to get rid of stuff. I've been doing so good on not going out. I've been doing so good on not shopping. I don't want to shop. I don't know if it's just the baby or the nesting or the I went through depression. I'm not depressed as like I was, but I just don't want to leave my house. I just want to sit at home, watch movies all day, just relax. I mean, I'll get some stuff done, but I don't want to do anything, which is a good thing because then I'm not spending money. I want to work on crafts, don't want to. But this is a thing that I want to do, but I don't like doing it by myself. I hate being down here by myself. The only time I'm down here by myself is when I do my videos, but I hate cleaning down here. I hate cleaning down here. My husband helps me with it. But we're working on it. It just takes a little bit at a time. So today, with the crappy weather that we're having, see, it's just ice. Ice, ice, ice. Okay, one goal I have for today, you guys, that my husband and I are going to do is I want to get that chest out of this, or cleared out, so we can start taking pictures. It probably won't happen today. We looked online and there's a lot of people selling chests. So we don't know how well it's going to sell, but we want to get rid of it. It just takes time. But I want to clean up the toy area around here. I don't know if I'm going to get rid of anything. There's a couple things. I'm going to throw that away. I'm going to definitely throw that stupid Lightning McQueen thing away. But what we're going to do is just pack up some stuff. And then I want to clear out the couches. So I sold my boxes. I sold my coworker 3 of those boxes for $70. He got a lot of stuff for $70. So if you guys ever want something to do with your stockpile and you want to get rid of it, just sell something, you know, just put it in a box, post it. I've seen some lady on Facebook, and I don't think she watches my videos, but I've seen some lady post on my local Facebook. She sells everything individually, and she makes people like go meet her somewhere, which is fine. But here's the thing. I'm not going to sell something and go meet something for somebody for $2. It's not worth my time and effort. That's why I have people come to my house and buy and get stuff. Now, I do have a Ring doorbell, so I can see, you know, who's at my house. It records when they're at my door. I don't let them inside my house. I just have them meet me at the porch or my driveway, but they are on camera. But it's, for me, it's not worth driving to a different town to go sell something for $2. And she sells all of her stuff for individually, and then she's also posted that a lot of people don't show up. So that's the reason why I don't do that stuff. I rather just sell a box, be like, yo, everything in this box. I take everything out, take a picture of it, put everything in the box, and I say everything in this box for 20 to 30 to 40 bucks, depending on what you guys think you should sell it for. So what happens is I'm actually still making I'm getting my money back for what I paid for it. I'm getting some of my money back for the inserts that I paid for. So I'm just doing that. That's what helps me. But my coworker, he got 3 boxes for $70. I think that's a pretty good deal. So I want to make more boxes. I just have zero motivation to do it because we're thinking of having a rummage sale. We're going to have a rummage sale in April, so I'll be making a video for you guys, showing you guys that. But I just want to get rid of a lot of stuff. It's mostly my stockpile stuff. It's not going to be just junk. It's just going to be stockpile stuff only, because that stuff really sells. But my goal for the day is to come down the basement and clean this. I want to clean this. I'm going to fold all these blankets. I got a nice little basket. I'm going to put all the blankets in the basket, straighten up everything, get rid of this. This is my little homemade deco mesh holder, but I want to clean this up. I do want to clean this area up so we can watch a movie tonight. Does that sound like fun? So I'm not really trying to bore you guys. I know I talk more than what I actually do, but today is just one of those days where I don't want to do anything. So I have about 4 loads of laundry to do. So I plan on doing all my laundry today. I plan on putting picture frames up, and if I do put the picture frames up, I will let you guys know. So I have like 3 goals. 3 goals for the day. Like, all you guys need to do is spend an hour once a week working on something. Don't overwhelm yourself. A lot of you guys are liking this. A lot of you guys are liking motivation. Just don't overwhelm yourself, okay? Another thing is, if you guys want to start donating stuff, just don't start taking everything at once. Figure out what you want to get rid of and just start little by little by little. That has helped me out a lot. I don't do it all at once. I just do it. I got a pile of donate stuff, which I'm going to probably work on again today. But that's what I want. 3 goals today. Get my laundry done 100%. Put picture frames on the wall. And clean up this couch. Can we do it? We'll see. The laundry will be done. It has to be done this weekend. But, we'll see. So you guys will have to see for next week's video if I got it done. But otherwise, I'm just kind of just laying back, relaxing. I need these weekends because, you know, she's going to be here in less than 3 months. I have a feeling she's going to come early just have a feeling. So I know you guys can't see the belly, but yep, so we got that going on. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video. I know it's a little slow week, but hey, I just wanted to share with you guys on that, more motivation, and I will see you guys next week. Next week, I don't have anything planned, so hopefully I get some more stuff done during the week. So hopefully we can see a big progress again. So hopefully keeping my fingers crossed. I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, I just want to give you guys a quick update after I finish this video. I'm like, you know what? Screw it. Let's just pick up some stuff so you guys can actually see it. Making these videos motivates me. So I've only been down here 5 minutes since I've made the video, and I've already cleared off half of the couch. Paris is already like super excited because she gets to run around now. But I've already cleaned this area a little bit. It's not the greatest, but hey, I'm picking it up. I'm feeling good. We're gonna move some stuff around, I think, and I just want to give you guys a heads up. Like, I just took like 5 minutes and I already cleaned up a lot of stuff. So it's getting there. Motivation. I think I'm gonna work on it just a little bit longer, but I'm gonna post this video first. And then I'm going to work on it some more, because I just have like motivation all of a sudden. It's awesome. So Paris wants to say goodbye. Say goodbye, Paris. She doesn't care, but thank you guys again for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.